First step is install the CPU from static mat to. First step is to plug the power supply. Then unplug all the peripherals from my keyboard, mouse, smart monitor, etc. Then the second step is to unscrew the side cover of the computer and remove it by sliding it on the left. First step, side step. The third step is disconnect all the connectors, including the SATA cable, HDD cable, and etc. Input this all cable outside on the computer to avoid damaging the motherboard. Now, the fourth step is to remove the CPU fan.
Biraha siya din. Biraha din. Sana di momento.
Put it aside. The fifth step is to remove the power supply. You need to, now we're gonna unscrew it. Sixth step is install Now, step 6 is we're gonna remove the HDD drive. Now we're gonna unscrew it. The seventh step is to remove the motherboard shooting case. Next step is to remove the RAM. Next step, and the big go. The ninth step is remove video card or any. Now we're gonna remove the
First step.
CPU.
Second step. Yes.
That's all for disassembling. Now we're going to assembling the computer. First step is to put the CPU on motherboard. Second step is to put the RAM. Put the RAM on the motherboard. Now, the third step is to put the motherboard into the case.
First step.
Now we're gonna screw it. Make the case. Now we're gonna screw it. Then the fourth step
Sigma PO card.
is to put the HDD inside the case.
Balik sih. Ya balik. Anak pre, anak.
Kasi goodies. Oy, oy. Then the third step is install the CPU fan. Install put thermal paste.
Now, the fifth step is to put the power supply inside the case and screw it.
Ay, pagputol-putol na lang po dito natin. Yung original na sabay na lang.
Then,
Putol na lang ako tapos tawag.
the sixth step
Install the battery.
is to put a heatsink for the CPU fan
And the next step is
to the motherboard.
install the motherboard to the system unit. My system.
Third step, side step. Ayan, nagkuha na, nakulay na. Wala pindi, wala pindi.
Now, the seventh step is to connect all the connectors to the CPU.
Gawas sa tongkol. Nanagaw na.
Dalero mo dahil daghan mo dahil gonzo.
Putol na. Silay mo. Dali naman ako. Gamay lang kayo pa. Gamay mo. Ha? Ito sa takimo ko yun dyan.
Now, the next step is put the SATA cable. Put the SATA cable. So that
Three, go.
next step is to close the cover. Then screw it.
Connectors to the motherboard. Yan na nalapas oy.
You unplug the power supply and all the peripherals, keyboard, mouse, monitors. After that, so you turn it on.
Yeah.